In this short video, we're going to show you how to add a domain and then link it to your website. Once you log into your DC account, come over here to the left-hand menu, click on Websites, Hosting Manager. First thing we're going to do is add the domain. So we're going to go over here to Domains, Add Domain, and I'm going to go with dcswag.com. So you're just going to add your domain. Don't put the host part in, which would be the www. Click Next. Now here's the next step that you want to decide. If you currently have email hosted with your domain, then you need to decide whether you want us to host the domain, which in that case you choose this top option and change the name servers. If you already have email hosted somewhere with connected to the domain, it's recommended you do the manage your own domain name service, which just points the domain towards us, and that way you don't have to update your mail exchanger, which is also known as the MX records, or have a chance of your email going down if you already have email associated with that domain until you get it reconnected again. So I'm just going to use the manage your own domain name servers. Once you get this set up, you want to make sure that you go to the current host of your domain, and from there you want to update the A record as it's stated to our IP address, the 52.4.6.12. And then once you get that updated on your end of your current host, it should update in a couple hours. It can take up to 24 hours. Now that we have the domain added, we'll come back over here to websites, go to our website that we want to map, click manage. From here, once it loads, what we'll do is we're going to go ahead and click on link domain, and we're going to start out with the main host. So the www, add, you'll notice a progression bar up here. Once it turns green, you can do the SEO redirect. So now I'm going to click link domain again, leave out the www this time, do the SEO redirect back to the main one, click add. What this does is that makes it so if your customers go to www.yourdomain.com, or if they just type in your domain without the www, it will go to the same place, and it also helps out for SEO purposes. Like I said, once this is done, once you update it on your current host, you should see everything update in a couple hours, and can take up to 24 hours, and then it'll be linked to your DC website. Stay tuned for more helpful videos.